Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to quickly replace your hood latch holder with some adapter you need to buy. That's everything all you need. First of all, remove the old one and then pretty hard thing stuck there. So put it all the way in. So I broke mine off, but I don't care, it's really stuck in there really badly, and then I'm gonna replace the new one. You're fine to go. So let's see if it works. Perfect. Thanks for watching.